honored guests and invited visitors. So, good evening po sa lahat. Good evening po sa lahat. Okay? My warmest greetings to all members of the Fraternal Order of Eagles, Philippine Eagles, mga kuya, ate at bunso, who are here today. And of course, I would like to express my deepest congratulations to Davao Mount Apo Sandao Eagles Club, headed by its president, Kuya Ricky Gabriento, and the Davao Elite Prestige Eagles Club, headed by its President Kuya Dines Ipunya II, and Royal Davao Eagles Club, headed by its President Kuya Alpi Hunsay, for coordinating this event. Okay, so they are the ones who organizing and making this evening possible to all of us. So palakpakan po natin sila. Okay. With your team, brotherhood knows no boundaries. It transcends race, religions, and nationality. We know, okay, mag-alala, kunti lang sasabihin ko. We know that Fraternal Order Eagles, a first Philippine-born fraternal socio-civic organization, since its inception, has been at the forefront of extending help and assistance to those in need and to the numerous worthy causes. So yun po ang mandate ng Eagles, no? Helping, service. That's why we are able to serve, because we have this mandate. Service through strong brotherhood. Helping people doesn't just do good. It feels good, and serving alongside others who want to make a difference in the world feels even better. Why are we here today? Because of this mandate, no? Meron tayong mandate as a member of this fraternity. And of course, ating Region 6 in particular, okay, because we belong to Region 6. Ang dami nating planong gustong gawin. We have so many things in mind to do, no, this year. And of course, having 12 clubs, and unfortunately, magiging 10 na lang, because 2 of the clubs we will leave this region. And we hope that we can create more clubs, na we can increase our clubs, no, under the Davao Region 6. To mention some few of our plans for Davao Region 6, of course, we intend to have a common activity as a region, no? Ibig sabihin, lahat ng member ng club sa Region 6, meron tayong gagawin na iisa lang, at sabay-sabay tayong gagawin dito. We plan to have 4 major activities under Davao Region 6. And one of the 4 were already done. Last time we had our community service in Davao de Oro, you know, during the floods, sometime in January. January ba yun? And of course, initially we plan to have 4 major activities for the entire year. And we will focus on 4 areas, no? Food and hunger, environment, ano po yung napag-usapan natin? Medical, dental, eye care, no, program, and children educational support, no? Parang yun ang ating focus. And in the coming days, no, magkakaroon tayo ng mga more meeting to discuss these things. Okay, so reminder lang yung mga kuya, no, under Davao Region 6. Of course, I have very important things to share with you tonight. Maliit lang din ito, no? As a businessman, alam nyo po, ako ay isang negosyante. Ako po isang, of course, I'm an engineer by profession. Isa akong agricultural engineer. Isa rin akong pastor. Salamat at may kasama rin akong pastor dito, si Pastor Richard Chu. At the same time, I'm a full-fledged businessman. I run a corporation. I own and run a corporation having 5 branches all over Mindanao. And I'm with Farm Machineries Distribution. So siguro i-plug in na lang kung kailangan nyo ng mga agricultural equipment like tractors, harvesters,